Hi guys, it's Wednesday the 16th of October. I hadn't intended to do another update on the little witch on the potato battery because I thought she'd done enough, but it's a bright sunny morning and I was just pleased to see that Kenny and Kenny 2 are both working fine in real sunlight. So Kenny 1 is the one that I repaired. Now that I'm talking, he's slowing down a little bit. But he was going absolutely fine when I came down here this morning. I just think the sun's moved round just a tiny bit and it's not striking on his panel quite perfectly. But he's happy in the sunlight. We knew the others were alright. Oh yeah, and this thing is just moving a little bit. I did change the panel because that one doesn't seem to be working very well, whereas that other one is just a little bit better. That's enough to keep that rocking. Not dramatically, but it is moving in real sunlight. She is still jerking, doing a little start-up motion. So that's now 7 days, from the 9th to the 16th. I've no doubt if I squeeze that lemon a little bit, yeah, that will start up. So, yes, hadn't intended to do an update on her. It was really the fact that the sunlight is getting Kenny 1 repaired to go in a normal sunlight. He's obviously not quite as happy as Kenny 2. I don't know if it'd make a difference if I swap him around. I'll probably unbalance him again and he won't be so good. Yeah, I've slowed him down a little bit now, haven't I? This is the one that I had a lot of trouble with. Oh yes, I've messed him up now. He was alright till I touched him. And Kenny 2's stopped now. Right, okay. Well, they're going anyway. And it's a bright sunny day. First one for a few days. Hi guys. Still Wednesday the 16th of October. We've had a sunny day today and I've just come into the conservatory and noticed she's rocking quite happily. So I don't know whether the heat has actually done something to the potatoes or something, but she's going better now than she was this morning when I looked at her. It's nothing to do with solar energy going onto a solar panel or anything, there's nothing there. She is purely running off those potatoes, but she's rocking better now than she was first thing this morning. Well, I say first thing, it was about 10 o'clock or something I did the earlier video today. So I don't quite know what's happened there, but she's rocking better now than she was before. It's not enough sunlight to get most of the rest of these running. Even this one's got a little bit of movement to it. So maybe the warmth of the atmosphere is encouraging the little ions to flow. that one a little poke. Yeah, as soon as you poke it, it goes better, but it was moving just a touch before I poked it. Thanks for watching. If you like that, then you might like this. And if you like this and that, you might like to subscribe over there.